bwa nyuma yo kucondoza kworeka kweyongera kw'ekokoro y'omunwa gwa Nyinendo mu ihanga Uganda ubwa ati government korabiro ministry by'amagara n'obushagishwa kurwo mu ihanga lya South Korea batandikireho ihurira ahwero kucebera kandi bakaragurira bakaze ekokoro y'omunwa gwa Nyinenda omumarwa Rugombyanga.
Twe twino obuhereza bwo kucebera kanse y'omunwa gwa Nyinenda konka munonga omu bantu abatwine akakoko ka siriimu nango mwirwarira hasabisa geberumu konka erukureba abo bonka abacyara abine akakoko kaki ka siriimu abo kuba akakoko nikacendeza abantu ko kwerinda
averagely nikuba twine nk'abakazi 30 buri izoba bonecho nshikwereza abantu between 900 to 1000 mu kwezi. So umbyabo tukucebera ushanga nka about nk'abakazi k'ikumi or a third of them bireho as to kweta kuri cancer changes.
Going to change it first of all by supporting HPV vaccination among our young children before they are 14 years. We are changing it by screening all eligible women.
We decide on focusing on the cancer project because looking at the global health trend, for now still Ugandan people are suffering from the communicable disease, but now the trend has been changed into non-communicable disease as well.
Abebembezi bambara site bakwasubwe byoma byo kucebeza hamwe no kuragurira endwara egi hamwe n'ebindi bintebera ahwero muhurira egi evarirwa mu sente ziri kuhingura miliyoni 200.
And I know that each one of us understands the importance of a woman in a home.
Turagurura bukirikare kurira mutwaye kahari omukando musitagize zigumire zitakubaswa kuragurwa locally umchangeje mutware sente nyingi amagara ngashasha mnonga
mutogo bamucebera bakashanga ejo endwara ya kansa yatahiremu babantu bamtweetinga numara okwezi kumwe n'ekicweka mutarukuza ombintu bya rukundo umurafu mbweni mwe abashija hate kindi kubashabana kimwe omukazi yija ojo mukuratire bamucebera uruho babagambire abashaba babagambire cyo gukora kumwe
abashaha batorine nibija ku marebero bitanahirwa ryambara site Cancer Health Center ya Kana baruko buherezo bunabwanyuma bazo mu marwa Rugombyanga aho buherezo barabe n'ubukorwa buri izoba okwenda ngo abatura babutungire hihi aha bwa TV West nde era akiza.